So MicroStrategy is getting added to the QQQ or the NASDAQ 100, and most of us kind of figured out that that was happening. And you're seeing the stock go up, I don't know, $22, $23 today right now, and it's the afternoon here on Monday right after the announcement. Now everybody was like, Mark, you shouldn't be selling in the money calls or at the money calls because the stock's going to go to 500, and it may. I'm not in the prediction business. But you know what? I'm really happy that right now it went to 431 when I've got the 400 calls. Why am I so happy? Most of you who don't understand covered calls or think you understand them in the old way are not understanding that deeper in the money calls work out well. I'm going to show you what I mean by that in just a second. But you can take a look at what's going on. Now, this stock, Bitcoin, is at $107,000 a coin. This got an upgrade into the NASDAQ 100. And the stock's not even 100 points away from its all-time high. Like you would think it'd be above its all-time high. Everybody was predicting it, that it was going to go above its all-time high. That should teach you not to predict things. We're trying to play the probabilities. We're in an uptrend. That's all we know, right? We know that we're in an uptrend, but we're trying to protect a little bit of the downside. So it's not brain surgery, everybody, that I'm in the money, and that's okay. So I want to show you what my portfolio looks like today with this stock just going crazy and me sitting here, 20, 30 points in the money. Take a look at it. So you're looking at MicroStrategy. You're seeing today, it's right now $429.68, up $21 for the day. So it was up Friday and it's up today. Today's Monday. And so you can see there's the stock itself, but I don't own any shares. You see the zeros? But I do own the 250 calls, right? Those expire in about 7 months, 6 months, something like that now. And you could see the extrinsic value, the juice that I had to pay for that is, it's up a bit today, okay? So, but you see I have an 87 delta. The base position moves at about an 87% rate to the stock. So you get a 10-point increase in the stock, you get an $8.70 increase in the base position, okay? I don't really care that much about it. The base position allows me to sell the calls against it. The calls allow me to collect the juice. So I collected, I can't remember exactly, sorry, I just want to get this video out. I think it was like 20, 25 bucks in juice when I sold the calls. Anyway, the trade price was $31.37. Okay, so I got $31.37 into the account, but some of that was in the money amount. So it's not like it's my money. The part that is my money was the extrinsic when I sold it, and now the extrinsic is $686 a contract. If I remember right, I was getting like $2,300 a contract, something like that. So the extrinsic has 4 more days to run on it until Friday, and then all that juice is mine. So 700 times $6.76 is the amount of juice. That sounds like about 4,500 bucks. So if I were to want to buy that back, I would be paying back that $4,500 worth of juice, right? Now I could go and sell the next week's, or I could sell closer to the money. And I could, maybe make twice as much juice for the week. But I give up this beautiful cushion because right now I have $36 per share worth of cushion, meaning the stock could go down to $3.94, and we know that this could happen tomorrow, and then I haven't lost any money from this point, okay? Well, since this is a 76 delta, that means it's got a 76% chance of closing above or being above my $400 strike price. I like that. That means I got a 76% chance of making all the juice. And that's what I'm in this for. I'm not trying to kill it. I'm not trying to predict anything. I'm not Nostradamus. I'm just trying to play this for the juice every week. And you know what? They're going to give me a lot of juice next week. So I'm probably going to wait another day before I make any moves. Why? I have a trading plan, and you should too. My trading plan says don't roll up in a red market. Now, we just turned red on Friday. That means, even though it may not be showing on the screen today, that means the tendency is for selling rather than buying. So my market timing system, which I'm very proud of, is right about 75 to 80% of the time. I like those odds, right? So I'm not going to go against something that I've been working with for 10 years, my market timing system, and say, well, I'm smarter than market timing. I know that MicroStrategy is going to go up tomorrow. I know nothing, frankly. All I know is how to collect what's in this column, which is misnamed. It's called extrinsic value. What it really means is the juice. So notice how if you are trained in the old covered call way, right? You buy the stock and you sell the call, and you got to be out of the money, and like that's a bunch of crap. Because look, I'm in the money by $30, $27.23, and look at the P&L for the day. I'm up $4,500. So I'm not losing money. Those of you who are commenting that I'm losing money because the stock's going higher, I don't lose money. I gain the base position. I give up the part above the money, but I keep the difference, which is the juice. If you focus on the juice, the income, the extrinsic value, the out of the money amount, that's how we make our money. That's why this account is skyrocketing right now. And that's what I'm trying to show you guys. But a lot of you are just like, you're not letting it go into your head. You're like, you're going to get exercise. It's going to get it called away from you. You're losing money above the strike price. Get all that deprogrammed out of your head, because somebody put that in your head and it's wrong. It is wrong. Okay, I'm trying to show you the way to make money on MicroStrategy. I've been doing it for 3 weeks. This is like video number 16 or 17. I'm transparent with what I'm doing. Don't criticize me and tell me that I'm wrong and that you're losing money over your strike. I'm just proving it to you on the screen here. And I want you to get this, right? Like, this is why I get so passionate, is because people just, they put up a block on wanting to learn. You know, I've been trying to talk to people about Bitcoin for the last 3.5 years, going, look, you got to buy Bitcoin. Oh, it's a Ponzi scheme. It's air. It's made up money. It's, you know, it's going to get hacked. And Bitcoin's done nothing but go up. You know, if you started listening to me when I was talking about Bitcoin, I've been talking about it since 15,000. It's 107,000 today, right? So yeah, all those things were right. And they always say in the business, the Bitcoin business, everybody gets Bitcoin at the price that they deserve. Well, you know, if you haven't bought Bitcoin, you haven't deserved to buy Bitcoin because you're not open. Don't be the same way with covered calls. Open your mind. Open to a new way of thinking. There's nobody else that talks about in the money calls that I've seen on a consistent basis. I have a whole program built around it, right? Like, it's a little wonky. Like, you've got to go an inch wide and a mile deep, but there's a whole system built around it. Like, if you're just clicking mice and buying and selling stocks and options, you probably don't have a system. You probably don't have a trading plan. You're probably going to blow your account up at some point. I don't want you to do that. That's why I'm here, right? I don't make money on these videos. Like, it's not like I'm some influencer with, you know, fake boobs or whatever. Like, I'm trying to help you guys make money on this, right? Yes, I sell some courses to keep the lights on. And if you really want to learn how to do this, you probably should take a course. Like, if you want to learn how to do anything, you got to learn how to do it right. I provide that. Other people provide it. Go buy it from somebody. It doesn't matter, but just get educated, right? There's no sin to not be educated, but be educated. I'm showing you how to make money on MicroStrategy. It's one of the best opportunities I've seen. It's going to be over soon, and there'll be another one. But right now, it's MicroStrategy, and it has been for a few months, right? And I'm showing you the life cycle of this trade. What I'm doing today, I'm not doing anything. Maybe you want to know that. Because, you know, you want to know if you should be rolling up or down. I don't know. I'm not doing anything. I might do something tomorrow and break a rule, and then I probably will regret it. I don't know. But I'm trying to stick to my trading plan, because my trading plan is very unemotional, unlike I am right now, right? So this is why I shouldn't be trading live, right? Anyway, I hope to see you on the next video. If you want to learn more, there's probably going to be an ad coming up or something like that. But anyway, thanks for being on here. See you later. Hi, Mark Yegi here. Ready to transform your financial future? Well, I'm inviting you to my special live income accelerator. It's your ultimate 4-week live training designed to supercharge your income. This live training runs 4 Wednesdays in a row starting on January 15th. Not only will you get actionable strategies for how to create income using covered calls, but you'll also receive my fast launch trading course and exclusive mentorship from me throughout the 4 weeks. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned investor, this training is designed to fit your needs. And because I like to keep my groups small, you'll get personalized attention. Join today to secure our early bird pricing for just $19.97. It's normally $39.97. And grab some extra bonuses before the class even starts. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Your financial future is just a click away. See you in the Income Accelerator. Visit the link to join now. Hey, it's Mark Yegi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button right now. It helps get the same kind of material out to other people and helps me grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would like the video, if you think it's cool, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, but tell me why you're giving me a thumbs down so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell, and that way you get the videos as soon as they come out, because I give you timely information a lot of the time, and you want to know what happens before that information gets stale. Thanks for being here.